Get out of there. Shoot, that scared us. I'm gonna have this thing close. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Orange Wire's Garage. This is episode number 7 of the Stryker off-road design Toyota Tacoma that we picked up from Copart just a few short weeks ago. In the last episode, you saw us pulling and tugging, breaking a few chains and clamps on this frame machine, but we've got this truck all bucked down. She's ready for us to just kind of pull it just a little bit more to get everything lined up 100% perfect so we can drive this thing down the road for the very first time. It's been a minute since we've been able to drive it. I don't know that we've drove it anywhere other than in and out of this shop, so we need to get it on the road. It needs to be going. It wants to go. So that's enough talking. Let's get to work. We are absolutely making a ton of progress on this thing. This frame rail is looking really, really good. The truck is finally starting to square on up. That tire, on the other hand, I wrestled that thing. I used a little bit of starting fluid in it. Whew, I don't know what I'm gonna do to get that sucker blowed up. I need an air cannon, don't have one up here. The guy at the tire shop, I think he was afraid that he was gonna skin up my new wheel, but I'd rather have it aired up and a scratch on the wheel than be wrestling around the way that I am. We're gonna take the pressure off of the frame rail right now. I'm gonna measure it again, see how close we are. I think we're really, really close. So that's enough talking. Let's get back to work.
like to do 3 more of those?
Heck yeah, man. That was so much fun. Like, they couldn't do it at the tire shop. If you get yourself a 20-inch bicycle tube, you can blow these things up yourself without any hazardous chemicals or oxygen and acetylene. Now you can't go more than 4 or 5 tons.
We're gonna break one of those.
God almighty.
Falsely accused.
What was it at?
So we've been working on the frame. The frame, we X'd it out up front. It's a perfect X. We X'd it out in the middle. A perfect X. We X'd it out in the rear. Perfect X. And then we worked on our control arm brackets just a little bit because when the frame went back and the tire came off, it pushed that control arm bracket up just a little bit. So we pulled that back. We are this close to getting this truck off the frame machine. It's gonna come down. We're gonna see where we're at. We're gonna see if it all lines up. Hopefully it does. This sucker's coming down. And finally, guys, we got this Stryker design down off the frame machine. Everything measures out 100%. We couldn't be happier with the way it is, the way everything looks. These big old 12-inch tires, they're really looking good. Everything is coming together. So why don't we go ahead and pull this sucker back in the shop, get the front end put back together, get everything put on it. It's time to take it for a test drive. We really want to see how it drives. We got some huge things planned for this truck and planned for this channel. Stay tuned for that. And that's enough talking. Let's get to work. And finally, guys, just like that, we got this truck ready for its first test drive. We haven't had it on the road since we got the string out and got everything lined up 100% perfect. This sucker X'd out on the frame machine. We reached out for Vtuned for help. We thought we was in over our head, but you know what? We got it. Vtuned will catch you next time. We got this one. So let's take this sucker for a test drive. Let's see how it goes. We did leave the sway bar off, so maybe not. We might have to take it easy. We're gonna hit some curves and see how it handles. Ride it just to ease it down the road. First test drive, Stryker design. Let's go. Got tilt. Don't you? I think it might need a wheel bearing. This Toyota Supra. We've made it to the gas station. LOLXD.
What do you think? We drove it to town.
Oh, she's driving good, man. This thing drives like, I mean, except for the wheel bearing being really, really bad where the wheel fell off in the floor, it drives really good. I mean, it's not bad. And the coffee's good. We made it back. The Stryker off-road design drives like a dream. It drives like a diamond in the rough. Just can't beat it. The wheel bearing's making a little bit of noise, but we're not going to put that in right now because we got two brand new ones coming in. We're going to go ahead and replace the wheel bearings on both sides. We got some epic stuff that's going to happen underneath this truck. Can't wait to show it to you guys. Can't wait to get the inside cleaned up. It's pretty dirty in there. I don't even know if we showed you how dirty it was in there, but this truck's a little bit dirty, but we got a steam clean. We're going to get it cleaned up. I think we ran out of time for this episode, but don't forget to stay tuned for the next one. It's going to be awesome and epic. If you like this video and you like this Stryker, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. We'll catch you next time in the Stryker design. We're out.